Understanding hand shears in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, hand shears. This term may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a great example of how specific English can be. Let's dive in and understand what hand shears really means. Hand shears is a compound noun composed of two words, hand and shears. Let's look at each word separately. Hand is a body part at the end of your arm. But in English, when hand is used in a compound noun, it often means that the object is operated or held with the hands. Shears refers to a type of tool similar to scissors but usually larger and more powerful, typically used for cutting things like fabric, hair, or even plants. So, when we combine these words, we get hand shears, a tool operated by hand, designed for cutting. Hand shears are primarily used in 1. Gardening, for trimming and shaping plants. 2. Sheep shearing, for cutting the wool off sheep. 3. Tailoring and dressmaking, for cutting fabric. Understanding the context where this term is used can help you better grasp its meaning. Interestingly, hand shears can also appear in idiomatic expressions. For example, as different as chalk and cheese might be used to describe the difference between modern electric shears and traditional hand shears. This showcases the versatility of English phrases. I hope this video has shed light on what hand shears are and how the phrase is used in English. Remember, exploring specific terms like this can greatly enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.